Good. Hip hinge progression. Okay? So, feet shoulder width apart. Okay, hip hinge for a deadlift or a squat. Good. Stand up. Basically, we just want to push your hips back. Push your hips back. Good. Relax. Okay? So, try to touch the pole behind me. Hip hinge and push your hips back. Back, 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 back. Good. And up. Good. And up. One more time. Hip hinge. Good. Okay? Now we have hip hinge with neutral posture. We're going to take the dowel, put it behind our back. One hand here to the lumbar, one behind your neck. Okay? Still here. Hip hinge forward. Straight up. Okay? I want 3. Nope. Does not matter which hand. Good. Hip hinge, butt back. Come up. Good. Again. 2. One more. Okay. Next, as we're holding neutral posture, hip hinge with neutral posture. Now, before we go, we're going to brace. Big belly breath. Big deep breath in. Exhale and set. Good. Now, hip hinge. Good. Up. Good. Another big breath. Exhale. Hip hinge. Good. One more. Big deep breath. Exhale. Good. Relax. Okay. Next, we're going to add torque. Tripod method. So I'm going to take my feet, act like I'm digging my big toe, my pinky toe, and my heel into the ground like it's in the sand. And then I'm going to act like I'm turning the dials with my toes. You see on my knees up here, creating torque in my lower body. All right. So stand all the way up, big, tall, neutral posture. Okay. Brace, big, deep breath in my nose. Exhale out your mouth. 3, 2, 1. Torque with my feet. Torque. Spread the floor with your feet. Again. Good. Now hip hinge. Up. Good. One more big deep breath. Exhale. Lock it in. Torque. Good. Hip hinge. Up. Good. Last thing I'm going to put to this is a powerful lockout. Relax for a second. Okay. So powerful lockout. So one on here. Okay. Neutral posture. Big brace. Exhale twice as long as my inhale. Torque. I hip hinge here. And as I get here, it's a powerful lockout. Get as straight as possible. Think about driving my feet through the ground, flexing my quads and my butt, being as straight as possible. Okay? We're going to do 3. Okay? So neutral posture, set my feet, big belly breath in your nose. Exhale out your mouth twice as long. Good. Torque. Hip hinge, neutral posture. And up. Good. Squeeze. Good. Big belly breath. Exhale. Torque. Hip hinge. Keep coming, and pop. Squeeze a little bit tighter, a little bit quicker. Okay? Big belly breath. Last one. Remember, I'm flexing my glutes, my quads. I want to be straight. Don't think about pushing your hips forward. Straight as possible, as fast as possible. Hip hinge. Go. And relax. Hip hinge progression.